Kaya mo, kaso tamad ka lang. So this is the very common problem ng karamihan, no, ng tao. For me, I think this is natural, no? Na na tipong may mga bagay kang gustong i-achieve, kaso mas nagpo-focus ka sa pag-complain kasi nga kesyo ganito, kesyo ganyan, hindi mo siya magawa. Instead of focusing on the solution, on finding the solution of your problem. So many people are getting stuck dun sa pinaka-status ng buhay nila. It's because they don't try hard enough to find a way or to find a solution to move forward dun sa gusto nilang i-achieve. And that's what you need to change on you. So actually, kung nakikita niyo yung post ko about the suits, no? Yung suits na yun is you will actually learn something from them. So yung pinaka natutunan ko sa series na yun, and it's super good, no? I'm still ongoing, no? Na tipong pagka meron silang problema, mga boss, they don't complain. They almost always focus to find a solution to solve those problems. And that's what you need to apply on you to solve your own problems, no? Instead of, wala kasi akong laptop eh, paano ako mag-aaral mag-code? There's always a way, no? There's always a way. Kung always ka nagpo-focus na wala kang laptop, you can't really move forward, no? There's always a way. So, ano yung mga way, no? Possible, pwede kang mag-code sa cellphone. Possible, pwede kang mag-code sa com shop, no? Gamit ka ng mga website na nakapag-run ng kung ano ba yung gusto mong aralin, no? JavaScript, Python, kung ano-ano pa. And there's always a way to solve the problem. And I believe on that. And balik tayo doon, no? Kaya mo, kaso tamad ka lang. And for me as well, no? There are times na tinatamad talaga ako. Pero I can assure you, mga boss, sa times na tinatamad ako, mas marami yung times na nilalabanan ko yung katamaran na yun kasi nga may gusto akong i-achieve. May gusto akong i-meet. And kailangan ko labanan yung katamaran na yun. And that's how I deal with laziness. So I hope nakatulong to sa inyong video na to and mga boss. And kaya mo yan.